What's going on, YouTube? I'm here updating my mining rig. It is February the 6th, 2018, 4 o'clock North Carolina time. I got 2 gigabyte Aorus 1080 Ti's, 3 Asus 1080 Ti's, not the overclocked edition, just the normal edition. I'm running them on I'm running these 3 on a 1600 watt gold EVGA power supply. It has enough to power these. It has enough to power everything: the risers, the graphics cards, everything. I'm using the BioStar TB250 BTC Pro. It's back there. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm also using that Wi-Fi router card. It's also back there. You can see it. It's not a hard connection to the internet. But I'm adding more graphics cards, even though the price is extremely high right now. We'll leave an update for that. And let's see, they're hashing at. This hash rate is for these 2 1080 Ti's. And let's see what they're hashing. You guys can see that. First one's 38.1, second one's 39. And let's look at their overclock real quick. They're both overclocked at 900 for the memory clock, which is how which is how you overclock the Ethereum for Ethereum mining. Sorry about that. Alright. And we'll do the other mining rig with the 3 1080 Ti's. It's right here. These 3 37, 38, 37. It's around 37, 38 for each card. And let's look at their overclocks. They're all overclocked at 953 for the memory clock. Everything is stock other than that. And it is an open mining rig on this case, right? Or not a case, it's like a frame, like a shelving frame. Got it off Amazon. That'll be in the link below. It was only like 27 bucks or something like that, and it's better than buying an actual mining frame. Anyways, temperatures 62, 67, 69. Temperatures are looking really good. They're really cool for these. And we'll look at the temperatures for the 2 gigabyte, which are sandwiched. That's why the temperatures are going to be really hot. Yeah, the first one's 87 degrees Celsius, and the one below it's 73. But it seems to work just fine. I know I shouldn't be mining with that hot of a temperature 24/7, but I am for right now, at least. Alright, so this is my current balance, 112 USD at 70%. And the calculator, it's actually extremely low from what it has been through December and November and all that. $387 a month. That's quite low for 5 top of the line graphics cards. But yeah, I'll leave the description and the link of everything that I have mining wise, so that way you guys can build your own mining rig and let me know how it goes. Alright guys, thanks for watching.